Hadith 1001, Abdullah ibn Amr ibn al-As radiyallahu anhuma reported, the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, the one who was devoted to the Quran will be told on the day of resurrection, recite and ascend in ranks as you used to recite when you were in the world. Your rank will be at the last ayah you recite. Abu Dawud and At-Tirmidhi.
Right. Now this is an encouragement to memorize the Quran. But the Quran is memorizing the Quran and reciting the Quran, and what is enhancing the voice to read the Quran and to keep memorizing the Quran. It's not the point. It's one of the points. But the major point is what? To implement the Quran. It's very important, Ikhwan, when the Prophet ﷺ talks about تعاهد القرآن قراءة وفهما وتطبيقا. That is recitation and also understanding and implementation. That's what he called ta'ahud. Not just I recite like a parrot, I don't understand what I'm saying. That's important to understand this. So a person who is reciting the Quran to memorize it, to learn it, to understand it, to as well implement it, he is the one who will be given this specialty, that it will be said to him on the day of resurrection, اقرأ وارتقي ورتل. Recite, beautify your voice. You'll be reciting with the beautiful voice of yours. And وارتقي, elevate. فإن منزلتك عند آخر آية تقرأ. Your level will be according to the verse that you have memorized or you have recited, because not everybody is able to memorize. Some people are old, some people are thick, some people are very hard, but still, so the person who recites the Quran the most, the one who is going to be elevated the most. And that shows us the believers' ranks, they vary on the day of resurrection in Jannah. They're not going to be the same. So some people will be the same, but some people there will be a difference between them because their deeds were differing as well. So the Quran in the dunya is Rabi'u Qulub al-Mu'mineen. This is the spring and the calmness of the heart of the believers in this life. But in the hereafter, it is the one that gives you the elevation, and it gives you that sort of, when you recite it, you'll be happy. You will be delighted with it. Because when you said to you, Iqra, now you recite to save yourself from hellfire. But there, you're already in Jannah. You don't want to save yourself. So you're going to be concentrating on what? In tasting the sweetness of this recitation. Okay? Here, you recite, you taste the sweetness of recitation, but also you're keen what? To save yourself from the hellfire. But you're there in Jannah. So you achieve the goal from reciting the Quran. So what's left now is to enjoy the recitation. Enjoy the recitation in Jannah.